Today is Tuesday, May 12th, guys, and today we're going to be working on factors of products. So we're going to need to turn to our journal, page 259 in our math journal, and then we're going to work through all of these different fact families and multiplication songs to help us find the answers to these problems. So let's look at page 259. You open up and I'll get ready. All right. So let's look at what lesson 8.3 shows us on page 259. It says, for each problem, fill in the blanks with different factor pairs that make the number sentences true. Well, there is an important word there, factor. Remember, a factor is the two numbers you multiply together to get the answer. The two numbers we multiply to get a product, which is the answer, product. And in parentheses, I'll write answer. That's going to help us, because we'll be able to sing our songs to figure this out. So if you have your songs handy, that's going to be really great. If not, they're probably in your brain, like mine. So 8 equals something times something. We know that no matter what, anything times 1 will always work, because anything times 1 is itself. You have one group of that. So we know 1 will always work. Will always work as a factor. 1. So if I can't think of anything else, 1 will work. But let's think of something for 8. We know 1 will work, but let's not just do that yet. Here's my hint to you. When you're trying to find out the factors, try to go through, will your 1s work? Question mark. Will 2s work? Question mark. 3s work? Will 4s work? 5s? 6s? 7s? 8s? Do you see where I'm going with this? Try your songs for each of these to see if you can come up with a pair. So we know that 1s will always work, so I'm just going to leave that off, but let's try 2s. So if we sing our 2s and we stop at 8, how many 2s does it take us to get to 8? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many? 4 2s will work. 2 times 4 works, so you know 4 times 2 works. Bum, 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 4, 8. You know that works. I don't really want you to write the turnaround fact because we know that, but I also want you to, look around for something else that might work. Let's see. Will 3s work? Hey, 3, 6, 9. Oh my gosh, 9. No, too big. 4s? Bum, 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 4, 8. Yep, we know that. 5s? 5, 10. Oh, too big. No. 6s? 6, 12. Nope, too big already. 7s? 7, 14. Nope. 8. 8. Oh, yes, 1, 8 works. So we can do 1 times 8. And then just beneath here, I'm going to write the turnaround fact. Like that. 8 times 1, 1 times 8. Oops. 4 times 2, and 2 times 4. So the factors of 8 look like this. I'm going to use my blue pen for that. Hopefully it shows up. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Those are the factors. 1, 2, 4, and 8. I just wrote them in order. So when we go through these guys, you're just going to end up singing your songs and writing the facts. And if you want to do the turnaround, awesome. If you don't, that's okay too. But I just want you to see how they're related. So let's try 18. Well, I know ones are going to work because it always does. Let's try twos. For 18, we're going to stop if we get there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh my gosh, yes. 9. 9 twos. So 18 is the same as 9 times 2, or 2 times 9. 9, 18. There it is. There's our 2 9s. And then, let's see, threes. Let's try threes, because twos work, one works. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yay! How many? 6. 6 what? What were we counting by? Threes. 6 times 3 and 3 times 6. So we already know that 2, 3, 6, and 9 work. Do you think 4 works? Bum, 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 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh, nope, 4s don't work. 5s? 5, 10, 15. Nope. 20, no. 6s, we got it, because the turnaround. 7s? 7, 14, 21. Nope, too big. 8s? 8, 16, 24. Nope, too big. 9s we got. And 10s are going to be too big. 10, 20. That won't work. So we know 1 will always be it. So for 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. And of course 18, because that's times 1. Wow. I hope this is making sense. This, again, guys, this stuff is new that we would have been doing in real life together face to face, but we're not. So this is what I have to do to help teach you. And you can always ask me in Zoom later tonight when we see each other. So if you're confused, please come to Zoom. I do Zooms 6 to 7 every Tuesday and Thursday evenings, and then Wednesday 2 to 3. So please come ask if you have questions. So what I'd like to do, I want to do number 3 with you, and then I'm going to leave number 4 and 5 for you to try on your own. We'll look at number 6 together, and then this is another one. Number 7 and 8 is a challenge where you get to look at using what you know with tacking on the 0 from yesterday's lesson. So let's look at 27. Well, we know 1 is going to work. I know that will work. Number 2, let's try 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Oh no, this one won't work. For it to work by a 2, what has to happen? It has to be even. 27 is odd. It will not work by a 2. Bummer. So we have 1 so far. 2s will not work. Let's try 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. How many? 9 3s. So 3 times 9 is 27. So that means 9 times 3 is also 27. Let's sing our 9s. 9, 18, 27. Yay, there it is. 2s will not work. 3s and 9s work. Let's try 4s. Bum, 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 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Nope. 5s. Oh no, that has to end in a 5 or a 0. But we'll check anyway. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Nope. 6s? 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Uh-oh, nope. All right, 7s. 7, 14, 21, 21, 28. No, not so much. 8s? 8, 16, 24, 32. No, so it looks like 9, 3, And then our go-to, what always works? Ding, 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 1. 1 times 27, or 27 times 1. So our factors for 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Wow. So what I'd like you guys to do is I want you to try and sing your songs. If we land on 36, we know that is one of the factors. So use your songs, use your brilliant brain. Try to write the turnaround facts so that gets stuck in your brain for number 4 and 5. Number 6 says, the Kim family is serving dinner for 24 people. Wow, sounds like Thanksgiving with Kevin's family. Mrs. Kim could have 1 table with 24 people or 2 tables with 12 people each. Okay, so she's saying 1 big long table with 24 people or 2 littler tables with 12 and 12 at each. So this is 1 table of 24, or she's saying 2 tables with 12. Like that. What are some other ways Mrs. Kim could seat 24 people in equal groups at different numbers of tables? Hint, think factor pairs for 24. That means you're going to sing your songs to 24. If it lands on 24, you know that's going to be a good one. Sing to 24. Use pictures, words, or numbers to show your table arrangements. So it's what is another way she could arrange for 24 people in equal groups. That way they're not left out. Everybody's together at a table, so they're not just one lonely person hanging out somewhere. That's what I'd like you to try. So that's what you're going to work on. If you need help, of course, Zoom tonight. We've got 1, 2 on your own with factor pairs, a word problem with pictures and factor pairs, and then the challenge, try this. 200 is what times what? My hint to you is look at what makes 20 and then tack it on. What makes 72? And then tack on that 0 to one of those. That is my hint to you. On the back of this page, we've got math boxes. So this is measuring. You might not have a ruler at home. So if you don't, it's okay, just skip that one. But this is extended facts from our yesterday lesson. Fractions on a number line. Fraction of the shaded areas. And putting this one into 6 equal parts to shade a fraction like this. Okay, so I will see you later with Zoom. Can't wait to hear how you do. I miss you.